Welcome to our MIB Expert Masterclass. Let's take a look at everything you will have access to after the registration. First, as soon as you log in, you can start with the Elite Masterclass modules. And once you've completed all the Elite modules, it's time to focus on the Expert modules, which dive deeper into advanced surgical topics. Each module is designed to enhance your understanding of the biological bone augmentation concept, including advanced vertical bone augmentation techniques. And here are the timings for our 4 weekly live calls, which take place every Wednesday in both German and English. You can also check out all the previous cases discussed with other colleagues in the live call, exploring different treatment approaches and solutions. These case studies offer valuable insights to help you enhance your skills and knowledge. Additionally, you have access to live operations where you can observe real-time surgeries. These sessions showcase various complex cases and techniques, enhancing your practical understanding. Dozens of cases are already available in your account, documented to support your learning. Get your starter box with our training equipment. Participate in one of our weekly hands-on sessions, taking place live and online. The starter box includes the TMS fixation screw system for patient use. You will also get a step-by-step tutorial on how to enroll in our MIB Business Partner Program and discover all the benefits. Don't forget to join our Real Bone Builders community to get even more exclusive content and to become an active part of this movement. Here, you can take a look at our upcoming in-person hands-on course dates and choose one after your registration. 2 intensive days of hard and soft tissue management, where you will be able to train the best concept with the newest technology. And you will also get exclusive access to our cutting-edge equipment and enjoy the latest technologies such as the Easy Bone Collector and the titanium mini screws,